Hello to all students. Today we are going to discuss again class 12th biology chapter 9 enzymes, and today's topic is mode of enzyme action or mechanism of enzyme action. Once again, today we are going to discuss again class 12th biology chapter 9 enzymes, and today's topic is mode of enzyme action. Students, enzyme is a protein nature organic compound. Mostly mode of enzyme action is depend on substrate or formation of a specific complex. It is enzyme substrate complex. So topic is mode of enzyme action. Students, enzymes are protein nature organic compound. Organic compound next, all enzymes depend upon the substrate. Next is mode of enzyme action can be understood by following. First is formation of enzyme substrate complex. Next is lowering of activation energy. Once again, mode of enzyme action can be understood by following. First is formation of enzyme substrate complex. Second is lowering of activation energy. First is formation of enzyme substrate complex. First is enzyme. It is large in size compound. Next, enzyme to have some specific site. It is called active site. On active site, attachment of substrate and forms enzyme substrate complex. Finally, substrate convert to product and releases enzymes. Students, in enzyme word first letter is E, in substrate word first letter is S, second first letter of enzyme is E, substrate first letter is S, complex first letter is C, it means ESCS. First letter of product P, first letter of enzyme is E. So E, it is a first letter of enzyme. S, it is a first letter of substrate. Next ESC, it is a first letter of enzyme, substrate and complex. And P, it is a first letter of product word. E, it is a first letter of enzyme. So finally, substrate convert to product and enzyme release in activate form. Next is formation of enzyme complex, or the mechanism of formation of enzyme substrate complex can be explained by two theories. Once again, mechanism of formation of enzyme substrate complex can be explained by two theories. Next is the mechanism of formation of enzyme substrate complex can be explained by following two theories. First is Locke key theory. Second is induced fit theory. Students, these theory related to formation of enzyme substrate complex. So first is Locke and key theory. First, it is related to enzyme substrate complex or formation of enzyme substrate complex. Next is Locke and key theory given by Emil Fischer. First is given by or postulated by Emil Fischer. Next is according to this theory, as a Locke can be opened only by its key, it means oven key. Similarly, a specific substrate, it means reactant, only can bind with the specific active site of the enzyme. Next, according to Emile Fischer, substrate and active site of enzymes shapes are fixed. It means no change during enzyme substrate complex formation. Second is induced fit theory. First is given by or postulated by. Given by or postulated by Coasland. Coasland. Next is according this theory, it means according to induced fit theory. Students, induced fit theory just opposite lock and key theory. It means according to lock and key theory, substrate and enzyme active site are fixed. It means no changeable. But according to induced fit theory, substrate and active site of enzymes are not fixed. Mostly active site of enzyme are not fixed. It means changeable when the substrate near to active site of enzyme, so active site of enzyme shape become changed and according to substrate shape. Next, according this theory, the active site found in the enzyme are not rigid, but it means hard, but flexible. Next, these active site are not complementary. It means opposite. Complementary to the substrate initially, but as the substrate molecules come in close proximity of the enzyme, it induce a change in the active site. According this theory, active site change to induce, so it is called induced fit theory. Once again, induced fit theory first postulated and given by Coastland. Next, according this theory, enzymes active site are not rigid but flexible. It means changeable when substrate come near to once again, when substrate come near to active site of enzyme, so enzyme active site induced and change oven shape according to substrate. So this theory is called induced fit theory. Second part is lowering of activation energy. First is means of activation energy. Students, energy is released in biochemical reactions, but some energy needed to initiation of enzymatic reaction. This energy required for initiating once again initiating a reaction, it means biochemical reaction, is called activation energy. Once again, energy released in biochemical reactions. For example, if one molecule of glucose oxidate to release 38 ATP, Next, but some energy is needed to initiation of enzymatic reactions. Next, this energy required for initiation a reaction, it means biochemical reaction, is called activation energy. Next, I draw a figure of activation energy. First is the presence of enzymes, second is absence of enzyme in this site, rate of reaction or rate of substrate in this site, potential energy. First is presence of enzyme. First is, students, I draw once again, I draw a figure of activation energy. First, in this side, rate of reaction or rate of substrate, in this side, potential energy, and first situation is presence of enzymes. So in this part or in this location, substrate are located, and in this side, product, it means substrate convert to product. Second is absence of enzyme, so this is substrate. Next, this is product. If same two substrate participate in biochemical reaction, first is presence of enzymes, second absence of enzymes. So when the substrate to convert product in presence of enzyme, so less required energy. But if substrate participate in biochemical reactions in absence of enzymes, so required more than activation energy. It means activation energy without enzyme, it means in this biochemical reaction to required more activation energy, and but in this situation activation energy with enzyme, it means in this biochemical reaction less amount or required less amount of activation energy. So students, today's topic mode of enzyme action be completed. So thanks, have a nice day.